لیں جی لنگر کھانا حضرت مسیح مولا صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم سے دوست جو ہیں وہ استفادہ کر رہے ہیں. مہمان دور دور سے آئے ہوئے, یہ جو خدام ڈیوٹیاں دے رہے ہیں. مہمان آنے حضرت مسیح موعود کی خدمت بہت بڑی سعادت ہے. دوپہر کا منظر ہے آج 29 اگست 2023. جی ماشاءاللہ زبردست قسم کا جو بچے بھی خدمت کر رہے ہیں, بڑے بھی کر رہے ہیں. نہیں جی جلسے کی جو برکات ہیں, جو جلسہ حضرت خلیفۃ المسیح الخامس کی آمد کے بعد یہاں جو رونقیں ہیں وہ دیکھیں. یہاں ہمارے یہاں افریقن دوست بھی آئے ہوئے ہیں اور ان سے پوچھتے ہیں آپ ول یو لائک ٹو ٹیل یور نیم اینڈ ہاؤ لانگ یو
My name is Hassan Yaya.
Hassan Yaya, which country you come from?
From Benin Republic.
Benin. And how long have you been Ahmadi, or you were Ahmadi by birth?
No, I'm not Ahmadi by birth.
Okay.
But I accepted Ahmadi.
In which year?
In 1995.
In your country, in Benin. And you met there some missionary, and how you accepted?
Yes, the missionary from Nigeria used to come in our country and preach. We accepted.
And after accepting Ahmadiyyat, how is your feeling? How did you see the change in your life?
I'm very, very happy to be Ahmadi. Because I changed, my life changed.
Oh yeah. Really? Very nice to talk to you. Inshallah, see you there on Jalsa. Thank you. Here is another brother. He will tell by himself which country you come from, how long have you been in Germany?
I am Abdul Wahab Dambele.
Yes.
From Mali.
Mali.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice.
I'm from Mali.
And
West Africa.
Oh, okay. And how long have you been Ahmadi, or you were born Ahmadi?
Oh, no, not.
Not born.
I accepted Ahmadiyya in 1999.
And how did you know about Ahmadi?
By my uncle.
By your uncle?
Yes.
Okay.
My uncle is a missionary.
Yeah.
Ahmadist missionary.
So?
In Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast.
Then I came in Ivory Coast in 1998.
Okay.
Then 1998 I came in the Ivory Coast to meet my uncle. Then after 1 year, 1999, so I accepted.
What was your religion before you accepted Ahmadiyyat Islam? When you accepted Ahmadiyyat Islam, Ahmadiyyat, what was you before that? You were Christian? You were which?
No, I was Muslim before. I was born Muslim.
Ah, you were born Muslim. Okay. You converted to Ahmadiyyat.
Yes. Only before I come to Ivory Coast.
Okay.
Then I was in Mali. I heard about the coming of the Prophet Messiah. Then we say Imam Mahdi alayhi salam.
Yeah.
So it is written before. Our forefathers used to tell us that the Mahdi will come in the latter days.
Okay.
They used to give some signs. About the coming of Prophet Messiah. That it will happen. Dajjal, Yajuj, Majuj.
Yes.
All these things.
Yes.
Then when I came to my uncle's place, he is a teacher of our madrasa in Arabia, in Arabic. So I learned from him that actually the Mahdi which we were waiting for, actually he has come. Then I started, how he can come, and we did not hear his coming before.
Yes.
And now we are getting to know that he has come. He passed away already.
Yeah.
Then they explained to us how and how it is happening. Then finally I understood it and I accepted Jamaat.
And you feel what kind of difference you feel before and after?
The feeling when I accepted Ahmadiyya is that, you know, if you have the people down, they are all down.
Yes.
We can see each other down, but if you go up, you will be seeing others down.
Yeah.
Is that not so?
Yeah.
For instance, if we are all down like this, we are all together.
Yes.
But if you went up,
you
can see people now
down. From the ups.
Yeah, from the ups. Then if you ended in Jamaat, my feeling is that the all things which we know before about Islam, the knowledge we have for us, which is common, then when you accept Islam, Ahmadiyya, then the way the Ahmadiyya gives the tafsir, the explanation of the tafsir and the hadiths, then it will make you to go up. Then you will see the others now down because of the explanation of the tafsir and the hadith. Because there are many hadiths and many verses of the Quran, the interpretation, the tafsir of it is totally different from the mullah one. But that one you can get to know actually you are back. You were down, but now because of the explanation of the hadith and the verses of the Quran, now you are up.
Yeah, that's right.
Justly,
And the biggest difference, the other people and Ahmadi people, you feel always under a protection of Khilafat. That's no other Jamaat in the world.
Difference between us and the others. Because they don't have leadership. No,
that's right.
He said in Hadith, in Allah witrun wa yuhibbul witra.
Right.
Saying that God is one, and He likes the oneness. Then the Prophet Messiah, when he passed away, the system of Khilafat started. As it is said in the Hadith.
That's right.
So we feel happy with this being under the shadow of the Khilafat, inshallah.
Thank you very much.
We pray for Huzur, and we ask Huzur also to pray for us.
Thank you very much. See you on Jalsa, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.